Hi, and welcome. In this demonstration, we will be covering the hybrid merge custom feature that Cloudingo offers. In Salesforce, when dealing with contacts and accounts, these are two completely separate objects. And when merging contacts, the households that remain either become orphaned, or in some cases, they can even be renamed to anonymous household once they become empty of any contacts. Let's take this example. If I'm merging two contacts, you can see that Robert Jones is merging into Bob Jones. And Bob Jones previously had a Bob Jones household, whereas the Robert Jones previously had a Robert Jones household. When I merge the two contacts, Robert Jones is merging into Bob Jones, and so the Robert Jones household will be left independent, and in my case, eventually renamed to Anonymous household because Robert Jones no longer exists in that Robert Jones household. With Cloudingo's custom hybrid merge feature, however, when you merge the duplicate contacts, Cloudingo will automatically go right behind the contact merge and merge the households together as well. So instead of being left with a Bob Jones household and a Robert Jones household, we will be left with just the Bob Jones household. And this further prevents leaving an empty Robert Jones household out there that is basically void of any contacts or renamed to anonymous household if you're using some versions of Salesforce. If your license includes the hybrid merge feature, it's a very easy setting to enable, and it is done on a filter by filter basis, so you can choose which filters you would like to enable it on. To enable, locate the contact filter you wish to enable the hybrid filter on and edit. And you will notice that at the middle section, there's a merge related direct accounts option. Simply enable that option. You can also choose which account rule you want to apply to the account merges. By default, the master contact records account will always be the account master during the account merge, regardless of the rule chosen. The rule chosen will still tell Cloudingo how you want specific field values to be chosen during the account merge. If you want the rule chosen to also define the master account chosen, that is a rare but optional setting that we can enable for you on the server side. You can reach out to our support department for more information. There is also a second optional setting that allows you to merge related accounts before merging contacts. Cloudingo's default is to merge contacts, then accounts. If you have a specific need to merge accounts first, you can enable this option. And now when you go into the filter and you go to merge the two contacts, in this example, you will see that I have two separate households. I have a John Smith 1 and a John Smith 2, and I have Smith household 1 and Smith household 2. You can see all the contacts and accounts there. Now when I merge, then this is a contact merge. John Smith 1 is going to be merging into John Smith 2 since John Smith 2 is the master. And once that merge is complete, you can see in the activity stream it has merged both the contact and the account. So if I refresh, you'll notice that now the household for the non-master contact is also deleted. It's been merged with the household that belonged to the contact that we merged into. If you find that you do not have this feature and you think that it would be helpful for your organization, you can go speak to an expert about this by going to go.cloudingo.com/hybrid-merge. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.